Hi everyone, I am Marlene A. Torano, BSIT Toby. I will be presenting on two important concepts, information management and the entity relationship model. Information management and the entity relationship model. Information management involves collecting, storing, processing, and distributing data to support decision making. Data is raw and unprocessed. Information is organized data providing meaning. Information management ensures businesses make data-driven decisions. Effective management of information helps in increasing efficiency, improving decision, and gaining a competitive advantage. Example, a company tracks product sales. Raw data is show product units, but when processed, the company can understand seasonal trends to forecast inventory needs. Importance of information management. Efficiency. When data is easily accessible and organized, decision makers save time and can act faster. Better decision making. Information helps businesses identify patterns, track performance, and optimize operations. Competitive edge. Data insights allow companies to predict trends and adapt to market change faster than competitors. Example, Netflix used data to predict viewing preferences, giving them a competitive edge in content creation. Key components of IM. Number 1, data collection, gathering data from internal and external sources. Includes survey, sensor data, transactional data. Number 2, data storage, securely storing data in databases or cloud storage. Ensure data is accessible and backup for recovery. Number 3, data processing, cleaning and transforming data into actionable information. Data mining and analytics techniques are used to extract insight. Number 4, information distribution, ensuring relevant stakeholders access the right data via report, dashboard, and real-time access to system. Number 5, information security, protecting data from unauthorized access or breach. Encryption and multi-factor authentication help maintain security. Database management system. DBMS store, retrieves and manage data is structured format. Ensure data integrity. Data remains consistent and accurate across the system. Provides concurrency control. Multiple users can access and update data at the same time. Security. Restricts unauthorized access to sensitive data. Example, banks use DBMS to store customer account data while ensuring security and accessibility for authorized users only. Entity relationship model. Entity relationship model helps design databases by illustrating how data entities are related. Entities represent objects in the system, like customer, product, order. Attributes describe entities, like customer name, product price. Relationship connect entities, like a customer places an order. Example, in a university database, a student has a student and the student enrolls in courses. Types of relationship. We have 3 types of relationship. One is unary. Unary, an entity relates to itself. For example, an employee can manage another employee. Binary. 2 entities relate to each other. For example, a student enroll in a course. Ternary. 3 entities relate to each other. For example, a student course and instructor together represent a class. Example, in a school database, a teacher teaches multiple courses while each course is taught by a single instructor. Cardinality of relationship. 1-to-1. One entity is linked to one other. For example, each employee has one employee ID. 1-to-many. One entity is linked to many. For example, a teacher can teach many courses. Many-to-many. Multiple entities relate to multiple. For example, a student enroll in many courses and a course can have many students. Example, a customer can place multiple orders, but each order is placed by only one customer. Converting many-to-many relationship. Associative entities break down many-to-many relationship into a simpler one-to-many relationship. Example, a student can enroll in many courses and each course can have many students. Create an enrollment associative entity linking the student and courses entities. Additional data like grades can be stored in the associated entity. Conclusion. Information management and the entity relationship model help organize, process, and manage data effectively. This concept enable better decision making, improve database design, and ensure data is handled by efficiently. Implementing the system is key to staying competitive in today's data-driven world. Thank you for your attention.